Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your OnePlus TV has an RJ45 Ethernet port. Most smart models do. Once done, choose a Cat5e or Cat6 cable to ensure gigabit-capable speeds and minimal interference. Make sure the modem or router end is nearby and powered on. Plug that side first, then gently insert the cable into the TV's port until you hear a click. If the port feels loose, swap cables to isolate a physical fault before moving into software setup. Once the cable is connected, power the TV back on and navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet. You want to select Wired Connection and allow the TV to obtain an IP via DHCP. This automates DNS and gateway settings for most home networks. If your network needs a static IP, enter the address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS manually. Only do this if you have the exact values. After saving, the TV will test connectivity. Keep watching for confirmation or an error code. You finish by running the built-in network test on the OnePlus TV to confirm internet access and see basic speed metrics. If the test fails, reboot both router and TV, then try a different LAN port on the router. Sometimes a single port is faulty. Make sure to test the same Ethernet cable on a laptop to rule out cable damage. If connectivity still fails, consider alternate paths such as powerline adapters or a wired-to-Wi-Fi bridge. These preserve speed and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.